The RSC extension identifies a Microsoft Flight Simulator resource file containing simulation assets and scenery data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, manage, or troubleshoot these flight simulation resource files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized RSC file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. RSC files are resource files for Microsoft Flight Simulator containing simulation assets including airport data, navigation, databases, terrain textures, and aircraft configuration parameters. They provide the data infrastructure supporting realistic flight simulation experiences. Microsoft Flight Simulator RSC files use a proprietary binary format, storing compiled simulation data, including airport layouts, runway specifications, navigation waypoints, terrain, mesh references, and atmospheric model parameters for accurate flight environment reproduction. To ensure best performance with RSC, always start with Microsoft Flight Simulator from Microsoft Corporation. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the RSC file and click Open With. If Microsoft Flight Simulator is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. If the RSC file still will not open, there is no need to stress. This RSC file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, installing resources. Place RSC resource files in the appropriate Microsoft Flight Simulator content directory. For MSFS 2020, add scenery and content packages through the Content Manager. For legacy versions, copy RSC files to the scenery or add-on directories within the simulator installation. Next, managing add-on content. Organize RSC files by category such as airport, scenery, and aircraft in dedicated add-on directories. Configure the Flight Simulator's scenery library to include custom RSC content folders. Prioritize add-on layers to ensure custom content displays correctly over default resources. Finally, troubleshooting display issues. If RSC content does not appear in the simulator, verify the files are in the correct directory and listed in the scenery configuration. Check for conflicting add-ons that may override the RSC content. Review simulator log files for resource loading errors and missing dependency warnings. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.